Welcome to my unboxing of the Pixel M80 shotgun microphone. So when you open it, it comes in a carrying case which is made of a hard shell and it's zip around. So once you open it, this is what you'll see. First, you've got your shock resistant mount, which comes in the color orange, and it's made of kind of a hard plastic, and that's your cold shoe, and the little ring around it is your lock nut, and it comes in twos, so if you break the other one, you've got an extra. It also comes with a fur microphone windshield, which is very good to use outdoors, and you've got the microphone itself with its own foam cover. So it's made of metal, and there you have it. That's the name. So just twist it a little bit and then pull it out of the foam. So this is how it looks like. Now let's try attaching it to the fur windshield. So it's a little bit tricky to find a hole where you put it in, so you have to kind of use your fingers to make the opening wider. So there, just poke it in and then just twist it and push, and there you have it. It's all ready to use, and that's how you take it out. Just twist it and pull it. So it comes with two connecting cables. It's red and black, so you can tell them apart. So the black one is for your camera connecting cable, and it's a 3.5mm jack, and same goes for the phone connecting cable, which also comes in 3.5mm jack. Now this component is an extension cable. It's not included in the instruction manual, but it comes as extra, and that's obviously your instruction manual and your warranty card. So now I am going to show you the instruction manual, which comes in different languages. I actually thought there wasn't an English one, but there you have it. So just to let you know, I've tried the microphone on an Android and an iPhone, and they both worked well. So the next part of the video, I'm going to show you how I put them all together before use. So I'm going to use the microphone foam cover this time, and I'm going to connect it to a phone. So I'm going to use the red cable, which is properly labeled. So just connect one of the 3.5mm jack at the bottom of the microphone, and then the other end obviously goes on the other end, which is your 3.5mm port. So for instance, this is an iPhone 6, which means it still has one. Now I'm going to attach the microphone on the shock resistant mount, which is this. So you will notice there are grooves at the top and the bottom end of the microphone, and you just have to slide it in place, and it will feel very secure. It's not very shaky. So just to let you know again that I'm currently using the Pixel M80 while recording this video. Thank you for watching.